Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, October 23rd. Interesting way to finish the week out. If you're not familiar with these videos, the red and green, these are daily charts. We're looking at swing trade concepts, which last from 1 day to maybe 3 weeks. The red line means a sell level, green line means a buy level, dashed lines means it's something that occurred earlier in the week. Now, these are not buy and sell recommendations, just ideas that I'd like to share with you. Let's talk about the Russell. I mentioned in the advanced video the fundamentals that are driving this, but what we see here is a market that is the weakest out of all the indices. We're seeing more selling pressure in the Russell than any of the other indices. Now the difference here between that sell level from here down to here, and remember you can go back and watch previous videos. So you could go back a few days ago and you would see how these red and green lines move as the market unfolds. Well, but this difference between that sell level to that buy level in the Russell, to give you a feel for that, is $1,150 a contract. I do look for follow through to the downside, but how it moves lower, that's what's going to be important for you and I next week. Let's go over here and take a look at the Aussie dollar. This is a market that did break to the downside. The difference between that sell and buy level is $660 a contract. Be very careful here if you're on the short side. It's acting like a market that wants to get stronger, and so is the Canadian dollar. It's what I call a false sense of security, so be concerned about that if you're on the short side. Bond market slowing down a bit, maybe getting ready to turn the corner. I'd like to see continued weakness in that market. Well, let's take you back and take a look at what's happening with silver, also with gold. You can see some strength there, but be careful. It's because of how they behaved. It implies sellers coming into the market. In the copper market, this is an interesting one too. The difference that you see here between that sell to that buy level, $250 a contract. And what are we looking for here? I'm not looking for much. China just is not a player yet in that market. Nat gas continues lower on fundamentals. Soybeans, we have a lot of beans out there right now. Corn harvest is progressing well, so supply looks good. The same thing for wheat if you look at the global supply of that market. The difference here between that buy and sell level in Mr. Wheat is $300 a contract. And what are we looking for? I'm looking for a down day on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Hope you found something helpful. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a wonderful weekend and take care.